Christmas, Bits and Bites of English viewers. Today we have a very special treat for you. We're going old school. So today we're going to do an old school listening and speaking activity called the telephone. And we have some wonderful volunteers that are helping us today, so we're very excited about showing young teachers, if you don't have technology in the classroom, this is an old school pedagogical practice, and it's a fun activity for listening and speaking for young learners. So we hope you enjoy the video today. Are you guys ready? Yeah? All right. Here we go. Santa Claus is coming in 3 days. Perfect. Perfect. Okay, very good, very good, very good. All right. Are you ready for number 2? The next round? Okay. What is your favorite food in the Christmas market? Where did he go? Where did he go? You know what? Let's go find him, yeah? Let's go find him, all right? Man, where did that kid go? Like, where did he go? Do you know where he went? I mean, he left us and he came to the Christmas market by himself? What is wrong with that kid? Oh, wait a minute. I think, is that him? I think I see him. Yeah? Where did you go?
I was hungry.
You got hungry?
Yes. What's your favorite food on the Christmas market?
Perfect.